Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the headphone maker's companion app. That is the only reliable route for percent level charge. First, pair the headset to your device. Once paired, install the official app and allow Bluetooth and any requested permissions. Make sure the app runs in the foreground once so it can detect the headphones. After the app confirms a connection, you're ready to view battery info. This sets up direct communication, so the app can read the battery telemetry the headset broadcasts. Once done, open the companion app and select your paired device. You must keep the headphones powered on and within range. The app will query the headset and display a battery percentage, usually on a device or battery screen. If the app has a refresh or sync button, tap it to force an update. Make sure background activity and notifications are allowed so the app keeps reporting percent while idle. This is how the app receives the accurate battery level from the headset. Finish by reading the numeric percent shown in the app. It's the direct telemetry from the headset. If you see a stale or missing number, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, power cycle the headphones, then relaunch the app. Make sure both the app and headset firmware are up to date, because older firmware sometimes omits battery telemetry. If problems persist, factory reset the headset per its manual or contact the manufacturer. Those steps fix pairing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.